Imagine getting paid over $100 just for completing one offer and without investing anything upfront at all. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I'm reviewing a brand new get paid to site called MakeMoneyOnline, and it claims you can do exactly that. And I have tested hundreds of different get paid to sites, and I have now tested this myself, and in this video I'll show you exactly how it works, and I will also reveal my payment proof so you know it's legit. So stick around to see how much I've earned and whether it's worth your time or not. So in case you do not know, my name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I came across this one. And I love testing new sites because once in a while there are some great opportunities that come up. But the thing is, even though this site here at the time of recording this video is brand new, the company behind actually has years of experience, and I used to use one of the other sites before also. So they do actually know what they're doing, which is definitely great. And since it is still new, it is also still being developed. I have talked to them and they've told me that they are continuously working on different updates to make it better and give a better user experience and give better opportunities. Currently it is available in around 43 different countries, so you would have to go to the website and sign up to see if it's available in exactly your country. I will leave my invitation link below so you can go and check that out if you decide this is for you after watching this. But let me now show you inside, then I'll show you how to earn, and I will also show you payment proof so you can see that it actually does pay, and we'll of course also talk about the overall earning potential. So let's start by going over the different ways you can earn, and then I will show you how to withdraw. You can see right now I have just above $11 in my account. We'll talk about the overall earning potential, how fast you can expect to earn and all that later also. But what I do like is when you come here to the earn section, it is very easy to get an overview. There's not too much going on. You can just scroll down. You can see some highlighted offers here. You can scroll through here also. You can click to view all. You can scroll down and see some other highlighted offers, and at the bottom they also have offer walls. If you used get paid to sites before, you will know what these type of offer walls are, where you can find additional offers. These are just then they highlighted some of the highest paying offers, and you can just click here, for example, to see view all, and then you can use this filter, because I really do like that. You can filter it by highest reward, lowest rewards, or you can also filter it by device. For example, many of these, especially the gaming offers, are for mobile, but there are also some different offers here you can do from your computer. So you would just have to scroll through, find the ones, and you can see there are actually a lot that has really high earning potential. But of course, the higher earning potential, the more effort it will also require. That's of course how it is. And the different earning opportunities include, for example, service. Mainly the service are through these offer walls, but there are games, you can watch videos, there are daily challenges, there are many different earning opportunities. So if you just find an offer, let's say for example Monopoly Go, you can click and then you can read more about it. You can scroll down here and you can see exactly what the total rewards would be here. You can say once you reach a certain board in Monopoly, this is the reward you will get, and all this here. So it shows very clearly what you will get. Just be aware that, for example, it needs to be within a certain amount of days. Some of the bonuses will require you to make a purchase, so that's one thing to be aware of, that if you, for example, go for some of these that pay several $100s, there will be some investment during that time, but you can also just stick to doing the ones where you get the rewards without actually having to purchase anything inside the games, for example. And always make sure to read the exact steps and make sure to install it through here without any ad blocker, because then they can't track the installment and all these different things here. So it definitely has many high paying offers, and as mentioned earlier also, I have tested hundreds of different get paid to sites, and rarely a new site comes up where I find it actually worth it, but here the payouts are actually very high compared to many other get paid to sites. So it is definitely one that's quite interesting in my opinion so far from what I have tested. In addition to earning through all these different paid offers and offer walls, then they also have one more way to earn currently at the time of recording this, because they have just launched. So it's a special launch offer. So let's just talk about that. So Make Money Online also has an affiliate section, and as you can see, it's only for a limited time. So if you invite friends because you like it and want to invite others, you can earn a commission for that. In general, if you invite people to another site, I always recommend you actually join it first and test it to make sure it's actually something you can recommend, because if not, you shouldn't share the invitation link, even if you can get paid for it, if you don't actually really truly believe it's worth it. That's at least my opinion about it. But if you do like it, then you can go here at the moment here and invite friends and earn 10% commission. So that means that whenever your friend is earning something for however long they are a member, you will earn 10% commission. They will earn the same. It will take nothing from them, and you will just get that as a thank you for inviting them. I will also leave my link below, so if you decide to join, you are welcome to join through my link. That will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that. But do be aware that it is for a limited time. There is a counter, so whenever you watch this video here, you can go there and see what it says there. Once that time is out, then you will not get paid or get a commission for the ones that joins after that deadline, but you will keep earning from the ones that you invited before that. So that's just something you need to be aware of, so you know exactly how it works. But let's now talk about how you can get paid, and I will also here try to withdraw so we can see and confirm that it actually pays out. So I have now jumped to the cash out section, and you can see, for example, I can choose currently to get paid via PayPal or Visa card, and I do like those options. Both of them are great options in my opinion. You would just choose it, and then you can select an amount, and you can also see there will be a fee, so be aware of that. It is a lower fee than some other get paid to sites take when you withdraw, but you can see also you get more out of your earnings. For example, if you wait, it's $1 whether I withdraw when I've earned $5 or $10, but also, for example, if you wait longer, the fee also will be, it will not be lower, but you see, for example, $20, it's only $120 there, so it actually pays to wait. But of course, you might not feel comfortable about that, especially not the first time, but you just need to be aware of the fee like that. But you can see also the fee, for example, if you chose their Visa card, then there will not be a fee, so it will depend on your chosen payout option. So in this case here, for example, I would have enough for that, but be aware, as you can see, this is something that's a little bit unusual and can be a little bit confusing the first time, because it's not often how it is, but you just need to know it, and then you need to go here to convert to withdrawal, because I do have these earnings, but I first need to convert it to be able to withdraw. So as you can see here, then I will need to submit here it to be converted, and then they need to approve it, and then once it comes into withdrawal here, then I can actually withdraw it. So that will take a little bit of time, so therefore I cannot do it here and now. But of course that is just because also it's the first time I cash out here. So what I will do is I'll go through this whole process here, and then I will also here on the screen write how long it took. I will also show the email I will get from PayPal that shows payment proof, so you can see that it actually does pay, because even though this is the first time, I know the company there, I've talked to other people that get paid by it, all these things there. So I will show the payment proof here, write the details about exactly how long it took, and you just need to be aware of this extra step there that you need to convert before you can withdraw. And then once you're just aware of that, it is quite easy. But let's now talk about the overall earning potential. So how much can you then overall earn on Make Money Online? Well, you can see on the website it says that you can earn up to $100 plus per offer, and we also saw some examples inside the platform that there definitely are many offers that offers that. But of course that doesn't mean that you can earn $100 per day or something like that, because the offers that do pay more than $100, they usually take quite a long time, and to get the highest rewards you would sometimes also need to actually purchase something inside the app. But you do not have to do that. You can just stick to the free levels and the offers where you do not have to pay anything. But overall, I would say the earning potential, as it always is with get paid to sites, will depend a lot on the country you live in. In some countries, it's definitely realistic if you're active enough to earn $10, $20 on some good days, and of course on the days you maybe finish one of the higher paying offers, it will maybe be more. But in other countries you will struggle to maybe earn $5 or even $1 per day, because that's just how it is in some countries, and that's something you need to be aware of. But overall, I would say, compared to many other get paid to sites, and I have tested a lot as I've said before, then it definitely is one that does pay quite high, and therefore it does look quite promising so far. As mentioned, it is still brand new as of recording this video, but I wanted to record it as soon as I could to let you know about it. So also, if you decide to test it and check it out, then let me know in the comments below what you think about it, what you like, what do you think that they might need to improve, all that. I would love to hear that in a comment below. And also, I will leave my invitation link below, so if you want to check it out, then feel free to join through that, and that will help support my channel and would definitely appreciate that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.